Are you struggling with managing business expenses? Take charge of spending with our company expense cards. Give your team customized cards with spending limits and purchase restrictions tailored to your needs. Instantly generate secure virtual cards for online purchases. Create unlimited cards for your staff, ensuring they always have what they need. Easily adjust restrictions as your business evolves, keeping you in control. Monitor fuel costs with flexible cards and individual spending limits. Track every fill-up in real time to see where your money goes. Automate receipt reminders to save time and use custom memos for easy reference. Admin spending is simplified with virtual cards. Set secure online purchase limits and ensure you stay on budget effortlessly. Sync with QuickBooks for seamless expense tracking. Enjoy cashback rewards on all transactions. Earn unlimited 1% cashback, with no category restrictions. Automatically reinvest your rewards into your business growth. Don't wait. Take control of your business expenses today and start maximizing your rewards.